Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
We have a rear liftgate on this Suburban that's making a squeaking noise. We're gonna see when it goes down. So there's some different hinge points that we're gonna try to grease. Right here and here, over here and here. We're gonna use some water displacement oil. Go over here. Get all the hinges. Then we're gonna exercise it a couple times. So that I can exercise the lift gate a little bit better, I'm going to turn off the automatic. Sounds pretty quiet. If your lift gate is squeaking, just doing what we did here should help you out.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.